You're not getting it. These people will kill you. They don't give a shit who your parents are.
Well, we have that in common.
I'm serious.
And I'm waiting for my lawyer. She coming? What, you think you're the only friend I've got? That speech, come on, baby, you could do better than that.
You don't have to talk to me. It makes my job easier. When your stomach is cut open and you're lying there staring at your own intestines, remember I tried to help you, you jackass.
You know of any good strip clubs in the area? I could really use some if you know what I mean.
I give you 48 hours.
Well, I guess we'll see.